Welcome back. I'm Madison Gordon here with your forecast update for tonight. Looking outside right now, things look clear from our tower cam, but we are starting to see a little bit of fog develop. Temperatures are at 35 degrees and our humidity 57%. As we continue to cool down tonight, our humidity is going to rise and we're going to keep seeing that fog develop into tomorrow morning. That's not the main concern though. As we head into the morning hours for your Sunday, we're going to start to see some pop-up rain showers off to the east, and they're mostly going to stay to the east. So Trenton, Chillicothe, Cameron, Kansas City, you guys might see a little bit of rain to start off your morning, but once we get past that 9 to 10 a.m. mark, those clouds and that rain should move right on out and leave us with these northwesterly winds. Now, that's going to be the major player tomorrow. This will bring a little bit of cooler air into the area, but it's going to bring gusts up to 30 miles per hour by the time we get into the afternoon hours. I'll have all of those details and more coming up tonight at 10.